Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English by Learning English podcast. I'm Adam, and I'm really happy to have you here.
And I'm Sarah. Thanks for joining us again. If you're a beginner learning English for real-life situations, this is the perfect place. Today, we're going to talk about a situation almost everyone experiences: shopping for clothes and essential items.
Absolutely. Whether you're traveling, moving to a new city, or just going shopping in your hometown, knowing how to communicate in English in a clothing store can make everything easier.
In this episode, we'll teach you useful phrases, clear examples, and a complete dialogue that shows how to speak confidently with shop staff. We'll keep everything simple, professional, and beginner-friendly.
Shopping is a part of everyday life. Clothes, shoes, bags, accessories, everyone buys them. But what happens when you walk into a store and the salesperson asks you questions in English?
Questions like, can I help you? Are you looking for something in particular? What size are you? Would you like to try it on? How would you like to pay? These are very common, and today we'll help you understand and answer them confidently.
Absolutely. We will also talk about describing colors, asking for sizes, talking about price, asking for help politely, and trying on clothes.
Let's start with the basic phrases you will hear and use in a clothing store. Listen carefully and repeat if you can.
When an employee talks to you, can I help you? Asking if you need assistance. Are you looking for something in particular? Asking what you're trying to find. What size are you? Asking your clothing size. Would you like to try this on? Asking if you want to test the item. It's on sale, meaning the item is discounted. We're out of stock, means they don't have the item available.
Now, here are phrases you can use as a customer. Customers often say, I'm just looking, thank you. Do you have this in a larger size? Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room? Do you have this in a different color? How much does it cost? Do you accept credit cards? Can you help me find?
These are simple, polite, and helpful in almost every store. Colors are extremely common in shopping conversations, so let's practice some basic color vocabulary. Common colors: black, white, blue, red, green, brown, beige, yellow, pink, gray, purple.
And for sizes, store staff usually use words like small, medium, large, extra large, or S, M, L, XL. Some countries also use numbers like US size 6, UK size 10, European size 40, etc.
Politeness is important. Using polite words makes you sound confident and respectful. Try these. Excuse me. Could you please show me? I'd like to see this one. May I ask the price? Do you have a bag for this?
You don't need complicated sentences. Simple words said politely work very well.
Now we'll give you a full conversation between a customer and a store employee. It's long and very useful because it includes every important phrase.
Imagine you walk into a clothing store to buy a jacket and a pair of jeans.
Store staff. Good afternoon. Welcome to City Fashion. Can I help you find anything?
Hello. Yes, I'm looking for a jacket.
Sure. What kind of jacket are you looking for? Something casual or formal?
Something casual, please. Maybe in black or navy blue.
We have a new collection right over here. What size do you wear?
Medium, usually.
All right, here is a medium in black. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where is the fitting room?
Right behind you, on the left. Store staff. How does it fit?
It fits well, but do you have it in a larger size? Just to compare.
Let me check. Yes, we have a large size. Here you go. And this is a large size. Customer,
This one feels more comfortable. How much is it?
it's $49.99. It's on sale today.
Great. I'll take it. Also, I'm looking for a pair of jeans.
Of course. What style do you prefer? Slim fit, regular fit, or relaxed?
Regular fit, please.
What waist size do you wear?
32.
Here's a regular fit jeans, size 32. You can try them on as well.
And customer tries the jeans.
Store staff, how are the jeans?
They're good, but do you have them in a darker color?
Let me check. Yes, here's a darker blue version. Perfect. I'll take this one too. How much is it?
That one is $39.99.
Okay, I'm ready to pay. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
Card, please.
Here's your receipt and your bag. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Let's review some important words from today. 1. Casual, everyday clothing. 2. Formal, clothing for special or work events. 3. Fitting room, a place to try on clothes. 4. On sale, discounted price. 5. Out of stock, not available. 6. Slim fit, regular fit, or relaxed fit, different styles of jeans. 7. Receipt, proof of your purchase.
These words are very common in stores, so learning them will help you a lot.
Let's practice. I'll say a sentence and you try to repeat or answer in your mind. Number 1. Sarah, can I help you? You. I'm just looking. Thank you. Number 2. Sarah, what size do you wear? You. Medium. Number 3. Sarah, would you like to try it on? You. Yes, please. Number 4. Sarah, how would you like to pay? You. Card, please. Good job. This is how you improve, step by step, every day.
Before we end, let's quickly review what we learned today. Basic phrases for shopping, how to talk about colors and sizes, how to ask for help politely, how to try on clothes, how to talk about price, a complete shopping dialogue, and useful vocabulary.
Shopping English is very practical. If you learn today's phrases, you'll feel more confident every time you walk into a store.
Thank you for listening to Easy English by Learning English podcast. We hope this episode helps you speak English more confidently the next time you go shopping.
And remember, practice every day. Even a few minutes can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this episode, follow our podcast and share it with your friends.
We'll see you in the next episode. Take care and keep learning English.
Goodbye, everyone.